Yo, what's going on, guys? Silver Seeker here. I got a gem for you today, guys, but before we get started, I just want to apologize for not having a video in over the month. The last one I did was where I gave out the Mercury Dime, announced the winner, who he had commented he did get it, so thank you again for participating, guys. If you haven't done so, subscribe, because even though that was just a Mercury Dime and not worth a whole lot, it was still something to add to your stack, and it may do more in the future. What we have today for you guys, though, is a gem. Look at this. This is an 1830 bust half dollar, okay, and it's mint air 62, and then the mint air is the obverse lamination, which I'm going to show you under the coin scope here in a second. This is a gorgeous coin, guys, and there's a story behind it. I actually picked this coin up in an annex holder, and the annex holder was labeled obverse lamination, or I'm sorry, removed lamination, I think is what they labeled it. But anyway, it was AU55. And as you can see here, it is not an AU55 coin. When I got it, I thought it was better than AU55, so I cracked it out of the annex slab, sent it off to NGC, and got back a little bit less than I thought. I thought it was actually an MS63, but it came back an MS62, which I'm still happy with because I got it for what an AU coin is worth. Plus, I didn't pay any extra for the mint air, which I think makes the coin worth more. It's a pretty rare mint air, and you're going to take a look at it. So we're going to go ahead and move real quickly into the coin, hit up the coin scope, and we will switch right over to the coin camera. We're going to take a back look at it first. Let me turn off this light real fast. Now that light really helps, but at the same time, there we go. That glare was going to get annoying. So what you can see here, I tell you what, I'm going to turn that back on. We're just going to have to deal with the glare, because the light, even though you have the glare there, really brings out this beautiful tone that this coin has going on the edge. If you look at around 1830, you can see that color. It's going all the way around the edge of the coin, and if you look at the back, it's just as gorgeous. Okay, let's go ahead and zoom in and we'll take a look at the mint air. So we're going to zoom down here. Let's bring this into the scene. And we're going to bring this into focus. Sorry about the bumping sounds there. I was moving my microphone a little bit farther away so I could get to the coin here. All this equipment gets in the way, right? So bring it in. Let's go ahead and focus this thing in. Oh, there we go. Alrighty, so you can see again that beautiful color. Here is the mint air. So right here, detached lamination, or obverse lamination, as so NGC calls it, where you can see at the mint, actually some of the lamination, the top of the coin actually detached from the coin. That is not something that happens naturally. That is something that happened at the mint. Or it is something that happens naturally. It happened at the mint. It wasn't done after the fact. So taking a look at this coin, I thought it was going to come back in MS63. Obviously, there's a lot of scratching and stuff in the field and on the face. But I didn't see any major marks. Maybe that one right above her bust. But I didn't see any major marks. I thought that was going to take it away from being an MS63, so I was a little bit disappointed there. I think the reason Annex had it AU is if you look here, like on the tops of the hairs here, you see a lot of flat spots. So if I get a pen here and kind of point to you, see right there, there's a lot of flat areas around the coin. If you look at the star, it's really flat, but if you look at where that star is, it's right next to the detached lamination. And I think what you got going on here is, with the issue with the coin at the mint, it just caused that to happen while it was being pressed. If you look at the other side, these stars are sharp, and I mean they're sharp to the fact that the tops of them still come to the V at the top. I mean these are sharp. So if a coin takes wear when it's being circulated, it's generally going to be all over the coin. It's not just going to be on one side. I mean, to be circulated down to an AU, it has to go through quite a few pockets for that wear to come on it, be touched by a lot of hands, be in circulation for a while, 6 months to a year, maybe longer. You can kind of see here at the claws as well, same thing. So you got one side where, right here, where it's weak at the top of the claws, and the other side where it's very strong at the top of the claws. And the same thing, the the fact that on one side there's more wear than the other just goes to show you that what this actually is not an AU, but it's just weak dies, where the die was really weak in certain spots, and that's why I think Annex made a mistake and called it an AU. But I saw it. I saw an uncirculated coin. I cracked it out and I sent it off. So this is a gorgeous, gorgeous coin, guys, and I just thought I'd share it with you now that I have it in my collection and this NGC holder MS62. I'm not going to send it off anymore. I won't send it to PCGS and Hope. I'm just going to leave it like this. That beautiful color on the edges. Let's go ahead and take a look at it one more time. Try and get you in focus there. It's about as good as it's going to get, but it's a beautiful, beautiful coin, guys. So anyway, like I said, subscribe. I'm going to bring you more again. I'm sorry I took that month off, but I had some stuff going on. We're going to continue to bring you videos here on the channel for Silver Seeker, and hopefully you're able to join us. Leave any comments or any questions, and if you have any requests for videos or stuff for me to look at that maybe I have in my collection or you want to see, let me know, and we will talk to you later.